What's good, party people? Welcome back. I just got my smoke color tint in the mail by Vvivid Vinyl, so let's do the damn thing. So basically all we're going to need is your heat gun, of course your tint, then I have my razor, masking tape, and isopropyl alcohol, which I'm using to clean the taillights. Okay, so I've gone ahead and masked off my taillight, so now I just have to fit the film over it and see how this goes. So as you guys can see, I basically failed miserably at putting this tint on for the first time ever. Don't be like me and waste a whole sheet. I had never tinted anything in my life before, and I didn't know how to properly use the heat gun to stretch the tint. I was okay with getting the wrinkles out, but that's as far as my skill set went at this point. So I basically just gave up and said, let's try these smaller lights and get a little more experience. With the smaller lights, I learned it was just really about being patient with the film and using the razor the right way to cut it so I don't nick my paint. It became easier over time, which is pretty cool. But yeah, just be patient. So I just finished one small light, and people who do this for a living, wow, because this is not easy. Also, don't be like me and use your Costco card instead of a trim tool to tuck your film, because I ended up melting a corner of my Costco card. But yeah. But yeah, the small lights turned out to be a lot easier, so I can't wait to do my larger light. So this is what they look like in the end. Came out pretty fantastic, if I do say so myself. And thank you guys for tuning in. Like, comment, and subscribe. And always let your boy know what's up.